Hello everyone, and welcome to today's cooking tutorial. Today, we're going to be preparing a delicious and healthy meal prep using our favorite salmon fish fillet. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining a healthy heart and brain. It's also packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals, making it a fantastic addition to any meal prep. To begin, let's talk about how to marinate the salmon. One of the best ways to enhance the flavor and texture of your fish is by marinating it in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, and your choice of herbs and spices. In this recipe, we're going to use fresh lemon juice, salt and pepper, and a dash of olive oil. The spices will add a burst of flavor to the salmon, while the olive oil helps to seal in the moisture and keep the fish moist. Now that our salmon has been marinated, it's time to steam it. To do this, you'll need a steamer basket or a large pot with a lid. Fill the basket or pot with a combination of fresh vegetables such as carrots, broccoli. These vegetables not only add flavor and texture to the dish, but they're also rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for maintaining a healthy body. Once your vegetables are prepared, place the salmon fillets in the pan. Ensure that the salmon doesn't overcook. Steam the salmon until the fish is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. Once the salmon and vegetables are cooked, remove the steamer basket or pot from the heat and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy meal prep of salmon fish fillet served with a side of steamed vegetables. This dish is perfect for those who want to incorporate more fish into their diet, or for anyone looking to try a new and exciting recipe. With just a few simple ingredients and a little bit of time, you can prepare a meal that's both delicious and packed with nutritious ingredients. So go ahead and give this salmon fish fillet with steamed vegetables a try. Your taste buds will thank you.